Hi there, this is Randil. Welcome again. In this lesson today, we will be looking at the organelles in the animal cell. In one of my previous videos on science, we already discussed about all organelles in the typical plant cell. Actually, in this lesson, we will be looking at all the organelles in a typical animal cell. On the whiteboard behind me, I have already drawn two diagrams of the same animal cell. One diagram is observed through an electron microscope and the other one, smaller one in the corner, will be observed through the light microscope. Actually, there are certain things you can see and observe when you look at the cell through the light microscope. Okay, when I start my lesson, I will tell you what things can be observed through the light microscope. If you are new to this channel and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please, you may hit the subscribe button and alarm the notification bell. The advantage of alarming the notification bell means that you can watch our newly uploaded videos, and also you will be notified immediately after one video is uploaded into the YouTube channel. Right, I have taken this lesson actually from grade 10 science textbook. It is applicable for all the students of grade 10 and grade 11. And also if you are someone who is getting ready for O-level examination, this video will be very important for you. There are so many things that you can learn from this video, and also you will be able to memorize each and every organelle, the names of the organelles in this video. And by the end, I am quite sure and I can guarantee that you can memorize all the names of the organelles in the animal cell. In my next video actually, we will be looking at the differences between the plant cell and the animal cell. And also in one of my next videos actually, we will be talking about again the function, different function of different organelles in the plant and the animal cells. And I know by now you are ready for this lesson. So since you are ready, let's get into the lesson. Right, as you can see here on the whiteboard, there are two diagrams of the same cell. Actually, this diagram, the bigger one, is observed through the electron microscope. Here on the corner, the smaller one is observed through the light microscope. Right, as you can see here at the center, the nucleus is available and you can clearly see that. And also this membrane is called the plasma membrane. Actually this called the plasma membrane, the outer layer of the animal cell. It is called cell membrane or plasma membrane. Between these two you can observe the cytoplasm. Right? These are the things actually that you can observe through the light microscope when you observe an animal cell. Right, it's important to have a look at this diagram. This is an electron microscopic section of a typical animal cell. I will start from here. The main organ of the animal cell is the nucleus. Actually, nucleus is very important. It controls all the things, all the metabolic activities which is happening. All the metabolic activities which are happening in the cell. And also they store hereditary information and also transmit hereditary information from one generation to another generation. At the cell division, you will be able to learn more about chromosomes and the function and behaviors. Right, here at the center or somewhere in the nucleus you can find nucleus. Okay? Here around the nucleus we have the nuclear envelope. Here this is the nucleus. Here this is the nucleus and this is the nuclear envelope, outer covering of the nucleus. And these two together can be regarded as the nucleus. Remember, there are two things, nucleus and the nuclear envelope. These two can be taken as the nucleus, which is the main organelle in the animal cell. Right, after that we will have a look at this diagram here, this small part here, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. I already told you in my previous video about the plant cell. We call as We call this structure as the rough endoplasmic reticulum because these tiny structures are attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. It gives a sense of rough structure. Therefore, it is called rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay? Actually, the main function of the ribosome is to help in the synthesis of protein. Okay? Now, at the same time, we will have a look at these structures. Is smooth endoplasmic reticulum because there are no ribosomes attached. It has a different function, and this is called smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay? All these organelles actually submerge in the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm between the nucleus or cell membrane, you can notice. Okay? All these organelles actually, in brief, if I tell you, all the organelles are submerged in the cytoplasm. This is just like the medium for all the organelles in order to reduce the friction among the organelles. Okay? And also it serves as a cushion for all the organelles. Here, outer layer is regarded as the plasma membrane. You can call it plasma membrane or cell membrane. Here we have the central. Actually, it is the skeletal structure for the animal cell, central. And after that, we have separate independent ribosomes, and I told you already cytoplasm, and this structure is called Golgi complex. Actually, we already talked about nucleolus, nuclear envelope, which belong to nucleus. And here we have the mitochondrion, and mitochondrion is the powerhouse of the cell, animal cell. Alright, I think you have a clear idea about all the organelles in a typical animal cell. I have come to the end of my lesson today. I hope by now you have a clear idea about different names of different organelles in the animal cell. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you are very happy with this lesson. If you find this lesson is important and useful, please subscribe to the channel and alarm the notification bell. And I hope to see you in another video on science again. Bye for now.